The Blackview N6000 versus the Oukitel K16 mini. Which of these two mini smartphones is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out. The N6000 from Blackview is Blackview's latest mini smartphone, and it is also one of the best mini smartphones in the market. It is equipped with impressive specs, which of course I'll be comparing with that of the K16 mini in this video to see which of the two devices packs the best specs. If you're new here and you're interested in comparison videos like this and the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dig in. Overall, in my opinion, both devices packs impressive specs, but I believe the N6000 packs better specs than the K16 mini. It is a much more powerful device because it is powered by the Helio G99, while the K16 mini is powered by the MTK8788, and I expect the N6000 to last a lot longer because of its bigger battery, and it has a bigger internal storage than the K16 mini. So these are some of the few differences that I was able to spot. These are some of the few specs that makes the Blackview N6000 better than the K16 mini, but in my opinion, both devices are great mini devices. But which of the two devices do you think is best? I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.